Today I'm going to be talking about another paid indicator. This is a new paid indicator that I bought yesterday. So this is a brand new paid indicator that I bought. Now originally I wasn't going to buy another fourth paid indicator. So if you guys have seen a lot of my other videos, you know that I bought 3 paid indicators already and I've made videos about them. So this is the 4th paid indicator that I bought. I wasn't really going to buy this indicator, but I looked at the videos and it looked rather interesting, so I did buy it on Black Friday. So whenever if I do buy another indicator, it's usually going to be on Black Friday because usually you get some pretty good deals. I bought the other ones, I think, on Black Friday. But anyway, this one is rather unique because it's not really out there to the public yet. It's still in beta mode, and I think they're still ironing out some bugs on it, it seems to be working fine for me, but it's not really out there in the public yet. The only way for you guys to see this indicator is for you to go on YouTube. Now, if you go on YouTube and you type in, I have Ghost Market Pro, but if you go to Bitcoin Ghost Market Pro or something like that, you'll find the video. And basically, if you look at this video right here, it says Bitcoin Live Signals from Ghost Market Pro. That has been the video I've been watching, and this is the video where it kind of convinced me to buy it. Now, this video specifically, it's on a 1-minute time frame, so the problem with the 1-minute time frame is you're not going to be finding really good signals to do your trades. Now, I actually looked at the video for the 1-minute time frame, and I tried to see, I zoomed in on the video as I was watching it and I was actually trying to make little small trades with the 1-minute time frame to see if it was profitable. But what I had to see personally is I had to see it on a longer time frame. So that was one of the reasons I bought the indicator, is I wanted to see what it was like on the longer time frames. So the indicator is called Ghost Market Pro. It's not really out there. You can find videos on YouTube where they make live videos of it. I think they're doing Bitcoin and XRP for like smaller time frames. But if you guys want to use it for longer time frames for the kind of like to get the better results, you basically have to get the indicator because there's not a lot of information on it. So what I'm going to be doing the next couple days here is kind of go over what you get with it. I bought the complete package with a Black Friday deal, so I'm first going to go over kind of like what you get out of the whole package, and then I'm going to go over kind of like my setup, and I may go on further for that. But I'm going to probably be talking about this for another day or maybe a couple more days, because I bought this, I got it all set up right before all the market for Forex and stocks started closing, so I couldn't really test this with Forex or the stock market yet. So I had to wait on that, so I'm going to be making a video on that when the markets open back up again. But all I can do right now is test this new indicator on what it's doing for Bitcoin. So let me show you what you get when you purchase this indicator. And remember, it's technically still in a beta mode. I think they're ironing some stuff out. Seems to work fine for me, but it seems to work well so far. But anyway, let me show you what you get with the Ghost Market Pro indicators. Okay, so right here on my layouts here, you'll see Ghost Market Pro. I have it here twice. The Ghost Market Pro with the plus sign here. This is basically, they loaded all the indicators for me the way they use it, so they put it in a layout for me. So I'm going to show you exactly how it looks with the way they have it. And basically, this is all you get, and you really, on the phone here, you really can't, there's a lot to go over. It's best to use this on a desktop. Showing you this on my phone is really, there's a lot of clutter. So I don't really use all the indicators that they give me, but this is the whole complete package right here. Now, I'll probably show this at a later time on a desktop because on the phone it's kind of cluttery. So the way that I do it is, let me show you. I use just a couple of them so far. Let's go to, we're going to go to my layout here. We're going to load and Ghost Market Pro. This is my layout right here. This is the way I do it. And it's pretty simple. There's 4 indicators, but before I show you the indicators of what I do, how I use it, if you go to your indicators and once you buy it, you go to scripts, and it's all these right here. You got the AI line. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 indicators that you can use with their package if you buy the complete package. So I use 4 of the 9 for my formula here. I use the AI Ghost line. I use the Market Pro AI drawing. I use the swing and the signal and the cloud. So basically, the Ghost line is really pretty. It's not a guarantee, but it kind of shows you potentially where the price could be going. It's not a guarantee. It uses some kind of AI, and it shows you potentially where the price could go. So since I had to see what this would be like on the hour, what it's showing me is it possibly could be going up and then going a little sideways and come down a little bit, and it's basically showing me that Bitcoin is going to be going a little bit sideways for a little bit. So that's what the AI line is. It's not a guarantee that that's where the price is headed. It's just to show you potentially where it could be going. And then let me remove these other ones here. And the Ghost Market Pro kind of gives you a drawing of basically support, resistance, and basically without you drawing any kind of, show you important moments like ascending, descending, those kind of formulas, support, resistance, that kind of thing. It'll show you lines where it's bouncing off of. So that one I find important. I'll usually flip between this one and this other one, which is pretty similar to the rainbow strategy that I teach. It's pretty close to the rainbow strategy, so it just basically shows you bullish moments. So it shows you kind of like the same thing with like the rainbow strategy. And then you got this one right here, which is basically buy and sell signals. Basically, when it's a buy signal, it says go. When it's a sell signal, it says ghost. So I have all those together, but the big thing here that I like a lot the most about this and where I get my strategy is the cloud. The cloud is the strongest indicator on here that I think so far by observing it. And I'll go over a formula here real quick. And if I were to make if I were to say which one, if you had to pick which one of these, I would pick the cloud. If I had to pick one indicator from their package, it'd be the cloud, and I'm going to explain why. There's a lot of ways to actually find signals with this. You could find it with the dot right here. Now, what you want to look for is a green dot on the bottom or a red dot at the top. Or what I look for really is you'll notice that you'll notice that in your candles it'll print out a yellow candle here, and the yellow candle will reflect what is in the cloud right here. So basically, it's telling you when the start of either a bearish moment is or a bullish moment is. So for example, right here, we see that I can't pick up it, but there's a yellow candle right here. And if you also look at the cloud, you'll notice that that's when the uptrend starts. You will see it here. So right here you see the yellow candle. It also reflects on the cloud. So you could enter right here, and then you can exit when it prints another yellow candle. So that basically is a buy zone right there. Another way that you can make buy zones on the cloud is make sure you see the little white The little white little line right here, that could be silver, but that little white line, if it's above the yellow, it's also another indication of bullish. So if you see this white line going above everything, above the yellow, that is a bullish right here. And you can also see it for bearish moments. So if you look right here, you'll see the yellow indication right here, and then you'll see the white line below it. That is an indication of a bearish moment. So the cloud really gives you a lot of key moments of entering moments, which I find the strongest of these indicators. It's where I'm going to start formulating a lot of my strategies. You see the white cloud coming up here, so this is a bull run. So real quickly, I'm going to load this on, let's do Forex here. I'm going to load it, see how effective this is. Just the strategy that I've talked about so far, and just using the cloud. So anyway, you see this right here. You see the yellow. Well, you see it print the yellow right here. But you see now with Forex, it's a lot more volatile. So you got to be really careful and find those good moments. So you see this white line right here. This is a good indication of it going up. So just for Forex, I follow the white silver line because I think that'll give the best results. You see it happen right here. You see the white line printing. There's a downtrend right here. There's another downtrend right here, small. But anyway, it works. It just Forex is a little bit more volatile. So you see it happening right here. You see the white below the yellow. So if you want to look for bullish, the white line has to be, the candle has to be, below the yellow, and if it's bearish, it has to be below it. If it's bullish, it has to be above it. And let's go back to Bitcoin here. Okay, so Bitcoin right here, another indication with the cloud that I find pretty powerful is this blue area. So the bigger the blue area, the bigger the momentum of the trade. And obviously, if the blue cloud is above the yellow, it is bullish. If it is below it, it is bearish. So the bigger the blue cloud, the bigger the momentum is going. But when you see the blue cloud getting smaller, you know that it's probably going down and it's probably entering into bearish territory. So I really like the cloud. And so I use this for a lot of my trading. I'm going to be doing this for Forex in the next couple days with a demo account. And I'm going to be testing it out. So anyway, the main ones that I use personally is the cloud. The cloud is highly recommended for me. It is the top one out of the indicators, in my opinion. You also get the AI line, and you get the AI drawing. Now, I usually flip between the AI drawing and the swing, which is this one right here. It's loading. The swing, I'll flip between the swing and the AI drawing. It just depends on which one you want to look at. But I'm more visual, and I like to look at the swing. So then you got this one here, which is basically your buy and sell signals. So I use these four, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I use these 5 indicators for this package. There are some other ones, and I'll probably go over them if I experiment with them more. But anyway, I just want to talk about what you get because nobody's talking about this yet. I am going to be testing this in the next couple of days, so I'll give you guys some results on how effectively it is, especially with trading with the cloud there, because it looked trading with the cloud, you could probably get some pretty good results. But anyway, I'll probably be talking about this indicator for at least 2. I usually have 2 more videos I want to talk about it with, and then basically the future videos, I'm probably going to be referencing this indicator because I'm going to be using it for my trading. I want to see how effectively it is for, Forex and crypto and stocks. So I want to experiment how well this works for all 3 of them. So I'll be making videos on that, on how well it performs with, all the other 3 ways that you can trade. But anyway, I like them. It's not really this indicator's really not out in the public yet. You can just watch the videos on YouTube and go to their website, and you can purchase it from there. I'm not affiliated with them, so if you guys want to get it yourself, do your own research. But anyway, if you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.